New Amazon sellers making this Helium 10 mistake, free versus paid plan breakdown. Here's the mistake I see new Amazon sellers make with Helium 10 constantly. They sign up for the free plan, hit a usage limit after 2 searches, and assume the tool doesn't work. That's not the tool failing. That's the free plan doing exactly what it's designed to do. The Helium 10 starter plan is focused on learning and is not ideal for running a business. If you're actively trying to research products, validate keywords, and build a listing strategy, you need the Platinum plan. You know, the free plan is genuinely useful for learning the interface and getting comfortable with the tools. Cerebro, Magnet, X-Ray, you can understand how they work on the free tier. But for actual product research decisions, you need real data volume that only a paid plan gives you. The 20% off discount code in my description makes Platinum significantly more accessible for new sellers. That's the entry point that actually lets you do the work, not just preview it. Grab the discount through my link in the description. New seller or not, using proper data tools from the start is what separates sellers who launch correctly from those who guess.